Now, something to note with that Mickey Mouse, when I listed it last night and I checked the sold comps, there was only one active. It was brand new and listed at $25 plus shipping. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Big Listing channel. We are in the basement gearing up for another week. We're obviously going to talk about some of what's sold and I'm sure a few other random things along the way. But we're going to get started by taking a look at what's sold today. It is Friday, February 18th. And we had one sale today. So funny enough, we sold one of these today. The reason this is funny is that just last night I recorded a video that went up on my last YouTube video about how I pulled one of these down to send to a buyer for free because of a particularly sweet note that they left talking about how their daughter lost an alpaca plush that they purchased from me. I just thought I'd throw this in because I connected with that story a little bit. So this guy sold internationally for $13 plus calculated shipping. So the buyer paid me $13 plus the shipping, and then they paid additional cost to get it from the eBay warehouse in Kentucky out to wherever they may live. Something I've been thinking about a lot are these boxes here for the plush. You know, these ones right here. You know, I'm talking about these because I would like to put them actually more in my storage bin style setup. I think it's a little more palatable that way. So rather than saying like, I'm gonna go into box D to find them, like this giant box, you know, it's gonna be a little bit easier to say, oh, it's in like A25 and there's probably like 12 to 15 stuffed animals in that box versus maybe 80 that I have to dig down real deep and all sorts of crazy stuff. So that might be a change that comes in the next few months because it wouldn't be a bad thing. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it is Sunday, February 20th. We have 3 sales we're packing up. Here they are. First up, we have this little I Love You bear. Nothing too special about it. No sound, no nothing, but it's really rare to find a used all white item. I know it's not all white because of the red heart, but so much white and have it not be stained or ripped or any imperfections. This is really in good shape. Sold for $4 plus $5 shipping. Sold this little barking Chihuahua plush. I listed about 2 weeks ago. Sold for $7 plus calculated shipping. Really glad that it sold within about 2 weeks. That's a great turn. And here's another one I listed the same day as that little Chihuahua plush. It's a Charlie Brown Cole's Cares plush. It's on the bigger side. I think it's around 13 inches. Sold for $7 plus calculated shipping. But you know, anything Snoopy, Charlie Brown, any of that sort of stuff, and especially stuffed animals, and you get that Cole's Cares on there, it's going to be a home run. So again, this one sold in about 2 weeks. Great flip. What makes these even better is that they were all free. And I'm going to be able to send them all out in poly bags. So real easy shipping as well. So right as I finished packing up those stuffed animals I just showed you, got another sale. We got this Dymo label tape for Label Maker. It's a lot of 6 of these. Sold for $30 plus like $6 shipping. So we're going to throw these in a box to go out. And it's all 6 of them for 30 bucks. So pretty good deal for the buyer. And great deal for me because I got all of these for $3 total, not a piece, $3 total. Hey everyone, it's Monday, February 21st. We had 3 sales today, but one was requested to be canceled by a buyer. So we're gonna show you the 2 that are actually going out. So the first one is this small Care Bear in a duck costume. I listed this guy about 5 days ago and it sold for $10 plus calculated shipping. And next up we have this Girl Scout Thin Mint Build-A-Bear Workshop Bear with an outfit. It has a Thin Mint cookie scent to it. Sold for $8. It's not a terribly valuable one, but it's still sold for $8 plus calculated shipping. We're gonna polybag both of these and send them on out. It's Tuesday, February 22nd. We just got a sale, so we're gonna box it up so we can send it on out today. All right, so I think this is a pretty cool one. This is a wood elf mask from the 90s. It's pretty neat because the chin is separate from the rest of the mask. So it fits around your face, and when you talk, it looks like it's talking. Pretty long nose on this guy. But it's going to come in right around £1. I'm not sure if it's going to actually go first class or priority mail. I know the buyer paid for first class. But if it's over, obviously, we're going to ship it out priority because that's what we have to do. The buyer paid $27 for the item itself plus shipping of, I want to say, like $8. So buyer's all in somewhere around $35 plus tax. Now, I've sold a few masks here, and there's a couple important things to note. So like with this one that I sold here today, there's an inner lining. It's like a fabric lining that kind of comes down. It covers your chin a little bit. It's just that type of mask. And it's worth noting that there are some like tears and rips in there, or maybe some like seam stressors, you know, where you can kind of see through in little pieces. But with other ones, you know, maybe there's hair on it. So I sold like that white gorilla, like ape abominable snowman mask. I'm not even sure really what it was, but you know, I had to note that there's a little bit of like green on some of the fur, and it looked like some of the fur was missing on the other side. And again, it doesn't stop people from buying, But what will make it a problem is if you're not disclosing these imperfections as you are listing. So again, with this one, there's some imperfections, but it didn't stop it from selling for 27 bucks. It's pretty great considering it's just been sitting around for years not being used. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, February 24th. 2 sales overnight. Here they are. All right, first up is this Precious Moments bunny. I listed this guy 2 nights ago. Sold last night, full price, $7 plus calculated shipping. And this one is an 18-inch Mickey Mouse. It's called Winter Fun by Just Play and Disney brand. Again, it's 18 inches long. I'm going to polybag and send this out. This guy sold for $15 plus calculated shipping. Now, something to note with that Mickey Mouse. When I listed it last night and I checked the sold comps, there was only one active. It was brand new and listed at $25 plus shipping. The sold comps, both were brand new, so there were 2 actually sold through and 1 active. And the 2 that sold through were also sold at $25 plus calculated shipping with the tags on it. Mine's used. It has some unwanted fuzz. It's been played with. It's not, like that nice, firm, brand new stuffed animal like, a lot of people will get from Disney, for instance. So I priced mine at $15. I did think it might be a little bit low. I was thinking maybe closer to like $18, $20. So maybe I did price it a little bit low, I'm not sure, but I'm still really happy with $15 for that, considering I got it for free. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, February 26th. We got a sale overnight. Let's take a look. We sold this super colorful teddy bear. It's a Kelly toy plush. Really great color on this. I've been noticing that more of these like tie-dye, cotton candy style color, and even like the hair or fur on it is a little bit more fluffy. Just a lot of these guys going recently. So anyway, this guy sold for $7 plus calculated shipping. Toss it in a poly bag, it'll go on out. All right, everybody, that's the video for the week. I hope everybody enjoyed watching some of what sold. I know we talked a little bit more specifically about the items this week rather than talking about eBay topics as a whole, but I hope you still found that helpful. If you enjoy what we're doing, please hit like, please subscribe, and also if you're on TikTok, go check me out over there. We post a ton of videos, easily 3 to 5 times a day. And, just trying to keep that engagement, keep people interested, and talking about what we like doing, which is doing eBay. So, anyway, I hope everybody has a great weekend and a great week ahead. And until next time, hope everybody gets out there and gets some sales.